The transport groups Manibela and Piston are determined to conduct a series of protests against the apprehension of unconsolidated jeepneys. This after the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board or LTFRB started apprehending unconsolidated or colorum jeepneys today, May 16. Manibela Chairman Mar Valbuena mentioned that they will still plan for another protest depending on the outrage of their members. Undeterred by the threat of apprehension, Valbuena affirmed that they will persist in operating their routes, defying the government's efforts to enforce regulations.
Tuloy-tuloy po ang pamamasada, ang paginitan nila, yung sinasabi nilang totoong kolorum. Ito, may mga prangkisa, sila ang nagtanggal, sila ang dahilan kung bakit naging kolorum. Pumasok kami sa hanap buhay, wala pa sila dyan, may mga prangkisa na kami. Tinanggal nila, mga baboy sila, binaboy nila ang sektor ng transportasyon.
Hindi pa sila nakontento. Tinanggalan na nga nila kami ng prangkisa, kukunin pa nila yung jeep.
The group members are also determined to fight and will not surrender their jeepney units once apprehended by authorities.
Hindi po namin ibibigay yun. Hindi po namin ibibigay dahil sa amin naman po yun. Ang sa kanila naman, pang-iipit lang sa amin. Eh bakit naman po kami iipitin? Tatanggalan nila kami ng hanap buhay.
Darating ang panahon, sir, na hulihan, lalaban na po talaga kami. Hindi lang lalaban, sir, kung hindi namin kung saan patungo. Hindi namin ibibigay ang aming lisensya. Hindi namin ibibigay ang aming jeep. Kasi sir, sa totoo lang, hindi kami kolorum talaga. Kagaya nga po na sinabi ng aming chairman, hindi kami kolorum. Sila po mismo ang gumawa na maging kolorum kami.
Earlier today, the Manibela and Piston joined forces to conduct another protest in front of the central office of LTFRB in East Avenue, Quezon City. They still continue to call for the government to junk the Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program or PUVMP and insisted that the government should return a 5-year validity of franchise. As of now, the Land Transportation Office or LTO and the LTFRB have yet to issue any official comment regarding the recent statement made by Manibela and Piston. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.